enjoying the rain here today at Kochi, Kerala, God's own country, my hometown and motherland. Guys, look at the rain at Kochi. Kochi rain. Nice and cloudy day. It's actually evening, so nice and cloudy, nice cool breeze, windy, slightly windy. Nice cool breeze, and it's raining. So amazing. So it's nice to get to see the Kochi rain before we have to head back and go back to Australia. Tropical climate here at Kochi, Kerala. Nice breeze, everybody. Ooh, there's thunder. Let's just relax and watch this beautiful view. You can see the metro going through there sometimes. It passes by, but I never get to catch it at that correct right timing. And it goes so fast. So yeah. Nice rainy evening. Very nice, very beautiful. I feel so relaxed and calm. It's very refreshing. Really nice. Yeah, the bins are lying out because they're actually cleaning inside the apartment at the moment. So cleaning is taking shape. It's a vibe, everyone. It's a vibe, and to be at hometown experiencing this, it's just an amazing feeling. Like, you're going to miss these, and I'm just going to watch the videos, good memories, and I'm going to miss this when I'm back at Australia. But at least I got to experience these lovely moments, and it's all memories in the making. And I'm glad to be able to take this video and look back at these moments whenever I want in between. So yeah, guys, nice cool and rainy evening here at Kochi, Kerala, India. Look at the breeze, like it's very beautiful. Yeah, actually cleaning is taking place at the apartment right now. So cleaning is taking place, the place is taking shape, squeaky clean once again. I'm enjoying this rain outside here. Surrounded by nature. So beautiful. Plants are moving in the breeze. Look at this, everybody. The sky is so blue. എടത് കണ്ട സ്കൈൻ്റെ കളറ് നല്ല കളറാണ്. നീ വന്നേ, നീ കണ്ട എന്തൊരു കളറല്ലേ അത്, ഇൻഡിഗോ കളർ. Wow, it's very beautiful, everybody. After the rain, we are taking a walk. That bell is of a church nearby, but look at that. Look at the sky. The color of the sky is like this sort of a blue. How beautiful is that? So nice. And it's nice to take a walk on this rainy wet path. Oh, look at it, so nice and wet. Plants got some water. They are looking refreshed. These plants were actually looking a bit dull yesterday, and see, it just came to life with the rain. So beautiful. So it's a night walk here at the apartment. It's very nice. Look at all the lights and their cameras. As you can see, the security cameras, they're everywhere, guys. Full surveillance. So hope all of you enjoyed this video and this rainy day today at Kochi, Kerala, God's own country, my hometown and motherland. Take care, love you all.